Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the GoHighLevel application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the GoHighLevel application on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you will have the option to log in using your credentials or by also using your Google account for a shortcut. If you created your account using your Google ID in the first place, you can tap on Sign in with Google. Then the application will ask you to choose your Google account that you want to log in with. Go ahead and select the account that you previously used while signing up, and as soon as you click on this account, you will be logged in on the GoHighLevel app. Alternatively, you can simply type in your email address and your password if you manually signed up using your email in the past. Once you type both of these in, you can tap on the sign in button and you will be logged into the GoHighLevel application right away. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password button and you will be prompted to enter your email address from which you can reset your credentials once again. And that is how you can log in to your existing account on the GoHighLevel app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.